receive their March allowances as well. And we have those ones who never received anything as up to so far. So, I said those people, because they are trying to say now it's because of phone numbers they are lost or they are invalid. They must come and verify their numbers in my office. I was surprised because I was told it's 62 people. But when I woke up in the morning, I found the moria of people in my room. There was a moria of people coming to enlist their names, of which is 62 times 10. So I was surprised, Uri. What's going on? What Hanan? I can't get answer. So, besides that, no, I won't fall, don't worry. We have requested for a delegation from NSFAS to come here. But unfortunately, the person they have sent, they just sent a mere someone who can respond to our issues, just an assistant. Is not in a senior position, so they can't be able to come here and respond to our issues. But they will be able to help us with any inquiry which we are having, starting from tomorrow. That list which we have wrote in the office there, we are going to submit it to them, and then they rectify our numbers here in campus, not in Cape Town. Before they can even leave, everyone. I said it, that those who can hear, we are going to spread the message. Because we don't have a mic. Mashau ran away with the mic last year. So, on those people who have been received their allowances from February and March, I urge all of you to come, but not first entering students and not first time user students. Again, I'm speaking, you must not say unwe, because you go out and spread the wrong message there. I'm saying not first time users of NSFAS and not first entering students, because first entering students and first time users of NSFAS, they must first send the template to NSFAS after registration is closed. Because we're still in the process of registration, it becomes highly impossible to send the template to NSFAS. So when registration is closing on Friday, that's when they are going to send their template, and then we are going to get messages to say you must sign the left form after the template has been sent. I think it's clear. So, also we're fighting for off-camp allowances and transport allowances. So, on the transport allowances, they have agreed now that each and every one of us here is entitled to 9,000 per year of transport allowance. Divide by 10, it means it's 900 per month of transport allowance. And then on the off-camp allowance, we haven't yet agreed on the amount, because on the amount of, to say a student per student must receive how much. Because you recall that on the off-camp residencies, we're paying different amounts. At Yellowstone, they are not paying the same amount as Greenstone. At Greenstone, they are not paying the same amount as Montana. So for the off-camp allowance, we must have a standardized amount to say each and every one of us who are staying at home, who are staying at Maungane, in residences which are not accredited by the university, in P-West, in fact, in private residencies, how much are you going to get? And then, as soon as we conclude that, that's when we are going to receive those allowances. So now I'll go through the memorandum, because I believe it's hot here and I don't want to keep you long. So the memorandum, the issues on the memorandum, they read as follows. First is the problems which we are having of course, one of them is S-Bucks, which I've just alluded. Second is the incomplete residencies. I'm just reading, I'll come to the solution to say what must happen after. The shortages of lecturers in the campus and the unadvertised tenders, including cafeteria there. Insourcing of securities, cleaners, and the gardeners as well. The bookshop prices as well. The library as well. I'll come to respond to say what's going on with the library. We have a problem with the library as well. Of course, we can't forget our international students and our postgraduate students. We're not leaving them out in this memorandum. The issue of postgraduates, the issue of international students. Oh, Mr. Michael came with the speaker now. I think I'll be audible enough to those ones who are at the back.